Hello bachcho, let us read the question. A force time graph for the motion of a body is given in figure. Change in linear momentum between 0 and 6 seconds is option A 0, option B 8 Newton second, option C 4 Newton second, option D 2 Newton second. तो इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है इम्पल्स फोर्स, इम्पल्स और इम्पल्सिव फोर्स. जब भी कोई लार्ज फोर्स एक बहुत ही शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन में एक्ट हो रहा है, देन इट प्रोड्यूसेस अ फाइनाइट चेंज इन द मोमेंटम ऑफ द बॉडी जो हम मेजर कर सकते हैं. सो देयरफॉर दिस large force acting for a short duration is called as impulse. So impulse is force into the time duration for which the force is acting and which produces a change in the momentum of the body. The impulse generally is denoted by the letter J. तो दिस इज़ गिवन एज F इंटू डेल्टा टी, वेयर डेल्टा टी है वो बहुत ही शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन जिसके लिए जिस टाइम पे फोर्स एक्ट हो रहा है, एंड दिस प्रोड्यूसेस अ चेंज इन द मोमेंटम. द चेंज इन मोमेंटम इज गिवन बाय द फाइनल मोमेंटम माइनस द इनिशियल मोमेंटम. So therefore the impulse, which is force times delta t, is nothing but फाइनल मोमेंटम माइनस इनिशियल मोमेंटम. तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए हम इस ग्राफ का एनालिसिस करके वी कैन अराइव एट द राइट आंसर. इस फोर्स वर्सेस टाइम ग्राफ में द इम्पल्स इज एसेंशियली गिवन बाय द एरिया अंडर द कर्व. सो इम्पल्स is area under the curve, under the force time curve, which is also going to give us the change in momentum. So let us say this is time t naught and let us say this is time t, and यहाँ पे एक, since the curve is intersecting the x-axis at this 2 seconds, हम इसको t prime denote करेंगे. So we can split this area under the curve in the following way. The area under the curve between zero to 6 seconds can be written as follows. So area under the curve, तो पहले ये जो है t नॉट टू t प्राइम, वहाँ पे पहले कैलकुलेट करेंगे एरिया अंडर द कर्व, फिर we will add that with the area under the curve between t prime and t. So this is nothing but the force into integral dt between t naught and t prime, and we will add it with the area under the curve, which is force into integral of t prime से t dt. तो इस ग्राफ से हम देख सकते हैं कि the force from t naught to t prime is negative and it is equal to -2 newtons. So this is -2. अभी t naught है 0, t prime है, this is 0, t prime is 2 seconds into dt plus अभी force है, so from 2 seconds to 6 seconds we see it's a constant force of 1 Newton, so ये है 1 and t prime is 2 seconds and t is 6 seconds dt. So this is minus 2 into integral of dt is t between 0 to 2 plus 1 into t between 2 and 6. So therefore area under the curve अभी होगा -2 into 2 minus 0 plus 1 into 6 minus 2. So this is equal to -4 and this is equal to +4. Therefore impulse is equal to 0. Therefore change in momentum is also equal to 0. तो हम क्वेश्चन पे जाके करेक्ट ऑप्शन मार्क करेंगे. So change in linear momentum between 0 and 6 seconds. The correct answer to this question is option A, which is 0. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.